place where logic meets chaos. Let's code. So today we're going to cover about data types and its size, some format specifiers and stuff like those. We'll also work through some hands-on and stuff like that later on, but let's just go through this little comment I've made here. These are the types of data that we kind of use, like integers and long integers and unsigned integers, floats, doubles, long doubles. You might have noticed here that I haven't spoken much about characters and strings, which I will get into a bit. But so integers, their size is about 2 bytes and its format specifier is %d. Long int is a size of 4 with %long double, so it's LD. And then unsigned is 4, that's %unsigned long double, so it's LU. Then float 4, that's %f, because f stands for float. Then double is a size of 8 byte, and that's %lf, that's long float. Then long double is a size of 10 bytes, and since it's huge, they just decided to keep capital L, I guess. So that's another long float. So yeah. Going on, since we know the different data types and now the format specifier, it's time to check out something new. Like say I've got some character over here, character, and if I have to print a single alphabet, so this is going to be my letter. Yeah, letter equals, and just single quotes since it's just going to be a single character, A, suppose, and instead of printing hello world, I would like to print, we'd use the format specifier %c in this case, and we'd obviously have to call it as letter. Yeah, that's good. So we can just build it and run it. So you can see I've shown the letter A over here, prints the character. Going on, now since we know how do we print letters, say this is a variable letter and this is our constant A, because we can't really change A unless we alter it ourselves manually, but variables are variables. You can change the values they can hold, but constants remain. It's the same concept in mathematics, like variables and constants. So that's the similar thing we follow here. Okay. Say now if I want to take a string, then I'd have to change it a little. The type is again characters, because strings are made of characters, right? So char, say this kind of comes under arrays, but you can't treat it like a string. So strings come in double quotes, what we popularly write, maybe hello world. Yeah, and this becomes %s because it's a string, and obviously I've changed its name, so I'll just type array here. So this should print again hello world, but since we're so used to it, let me change this. Hey, let's code. Good. Well, let me just increase this size. Yeah. So it prints hey let's code. It's a string type, like data type, and it's also printing a new line. Now you might have noticed what is this /n. So that's also called an escape sequence. So wait up later on to know more about it. So that's this video all about. Thank you.